In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color object in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the color of an object and what to do if nothing seems to happen after you try. Start by selecting the object you want to color. You can click it directly in the drawing area. You'll see grips appear, which confirms it's selected. With the object highlighted, look to the ribbon at the top of your screen and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where the most commonly used tools live, so it's a great place to begin for quick property changes. On the Home tab, find the Properties panel. Within that panel, there's a drop-down specifically for color. It usually shows a small colored square and the current color name. Click that drop-down to open the color options. You can choose from standard colors right away. Once you pick a color, the selected object should update immediately in your drawing. This instant feedback is helpful. If you see the change, you're done, and you can move on with your work. If you don't see any change after selecting a new color, there's a strong chance the object you selected is actually part of a block. Blocks are collections of objects treated as a single unit, which makes editing a little different. To adjust the color of something inside a block, double-click the block to open it in the block editor. You'll know you're in the block editor because the interface will shift slightly, and you'll be editing the contents of that block rather than the overall drawing. Inside the block editor, select the specific object within the block that you want to recolor. Then, just like before, go to the Home tab, locate the Properties panel, and use the color drop-down to choose the color you want. You're applying the same method here. You're simply doing it inside the block so the change actually takes effect. When you're satisfied, close the block editor and save your changes so they update in the main drawing. That's all there is to it. Select the object, change its color from the Properties drop-down on the Home tab, and if nothing changes, edit the object within the block editor by double-clicking the block and adjusting the color there. With this simple approach, you'll keep your drawing clear, consistent, and easier to read.